Hey guys, welcome back to JJ and Son Speed Shop. It's been a while, been kind of busy, doing what I can whenever the weather's halfway decent. Been thinking about putting a small block in that 56, and I ran across this 383 stroker. It's actually an engine we built for my son, and he swapped his big block and stuff into the 66, so that's a pretty fresh bottom end. It's all Eagle hyper-eutectic pistons, not forged. They're hyper-eutectic. It's got the I-beam rods, Eagle crank. It was a strong motor, but I've been picking up some stuff for it. I got this old vintage tunnel ram and these old school Mickey Thompson valve covers. If I just get a set of heads, I can put this in that 56. I've got two 500 CFM Carters I could put on it, but yeah, I might go in there until I can get around to building a big block. I mean, I already got it, might as well use it. And then we've been working on the 64 Nova off and on here. The weather's been horrible. Today's really nice, but working on getting the rear suspension all set up, squared up to the car so I can weld it in. And then I'm going to work on the tins, the wheel tubs, and the floor pan, and finishing up the roll cage for it. And then we'll start building the engine for this. This little 64 Nova Post, little shoebox. See if I can get a shot of this. It's all Chris Alston rails and ladder bars. It's got a 31 spline 9-inch in it with 486 gears, Wilwood disc brakes, full spool, coilovers too. But yeah, I just gotta get it squared up in there and then weld up with the cross member and mount the shocks, and then that part will be done. It's a pretty solid little car. Really straight, no rust on it anywhere. Just had the floor pans replaced. You can see where I gotta finish tying it all into the back. Get the tubs put in and the roll cage. Shouldn't be that bad. If the weather cooperates, I'll be out here. When it's in the 30s, I'm not coming out here. It's too cold. And then I've been slowly working on this as I have time and the weather cooperates. I'm down to the last door. This was the rougher of the two doors. And I know it looks like a lot of filler, but it's really paper thin. Just trying to get all the little pits and everything else out of it. This thing was pretty rough on this side. It looks like it's going to turn out pretty nice. Anyway, just want to give you guys an update. It's been a while. Can't wait for springtime when we have longer days and can get a whole lot more done. And we've been putting new headers on that 66 GMC also. The fender well ones hung a little too low. I'll put a couple pictures of that up there too. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Later.